President Trump is attempting to end birthright citizenship for children of undocumented parents, but is running into legal roadblocks, including here in Massachusetts. Differing reactions.
Emboldened, but also encouraged.
It is absolutely part of the process.
As President Trump's executive order ending birthright citizenship for some takes another step through the courts. The controversial policy going before a federal judge in Boston this morning, following two other federal judges blocking the order due to conflicts with the Constitution. Now, legal experts anticipating a similar decision out of Massachusetts.
It doesn't take a brilliant legal mind to say that the president's executive order runs up against the 14th Amendment and is likely unconstitutional.
Judge Leo Sorokin grilling U.S. attorneys, questioning their argument that the children of non-citizens are not subject to the jurisdiction of the United States and as a result aren't entitled to citizenship.
Everybody in the administration knew that this would be challenged in the courts.
As supporters of the president's policies remain undeterred.
The intent was to get this before the Supreme Court so that they can determine what the intent of the 14th Amendment was.
A forward-looking attitude shared by Massachusetts Attorney General Andrea Campbell, who remains poised for this fight and those to come.
Does it feel just like a game of whack-a-mole at this point for you?
What I, along with our colleagues and our teams, do every single day is to respond in real time, demonstrate the power of government to help actual people.
Now, Judge Sorokin made clear his decision will come quickly in this case, but likely won't be released today. Well, Massachusetts federal courts are emerging as a preferred venue for lawsuits challenging the president's executive orders. Political commentator Sue O'Connell joining us now. So, Sue, recently in Boston, a U.S. district judge made two significant rulings, halting a federal employee buyout program and blocking the transfer of a transgender woman from a women's prison over to a men's prison. In both cases, plaintiffs chose to bring the suits in Massachusetts. So what makes Bay State federal courts so attractive to plaintiffs that are challenging executive orders?
Well, first, Matt, every good lawyer wants to have their case heard in the most friendly court to their case. And a federal court is a federal court is a federal court, regardless of whether it's in Missouri or Massachusetts. And, of course, there are legal ways to court shop. But there are advantages to being in Massachusetts for cases like these. Massachusetts is known as the rocket docket. That means that things get done quickly. And we have highly experienced federal judges on the bench. And another reason is that Massachusetts federal courts tend to take a broader view of who can sue federal agencies, and that's especially true for administrative law cases like these. So don't be surprised if you see more lawsuits against the federal government launched right out of here in Massachusetts, Matt.